Hey, what's up guys? Matt here with Fix Anything, Save Money. Today we're going to be showing you this Stihl BG86 leaf blower. We're going to be showing you the features of this and then pretty much just everything that this leaf blower offers and hopefully answering any questions that you guys have. And also be sure to check out my other video if you're wondering about how to adjust the carburetor on this engine. I have a video up on how to do a carburetor adjustment, and then I'm also going to be posting a video on how to do the yearly maintenance on this. This video is just going to be strictly the features and showing you around the leaf blower. So we'll get right into it. You can see here we have our pull start. Then this is where we would add our fuel and oil mixture right here. Okay. And then here is our choke. So you could see here, if this is, let's say the engine is cold, we would rotate this dial all the way over to the right, pull it a few times, and then once it starts, it'll probably stall out. So then you would put it in this middle position, pull it a couple times, it should start and fire right up. And then you just let it idle, let it warm up, maybe pull the trigger a couple times, and then it should automatically click over to its normal operating, which is all the way over to the left here. Now, right next to this little dial is where you would adjust the idle on the carburetor. So there's your idle adjustment. That's just a Phillips head screwdriver. And then to adjust the carburetor, you need a special kit. I recently had a company called Hypa sent me a carburetor adjustment kit, so you could adjust the carburetor if you need to. I'll put a link in the description on where you could pick that up. And like I said, I have a video dedicated to that, so if you're curious, you can check that out. And then here we have our fuel bubble to preload our carburetor, so we could pretty much, if the engine's cold, what you do is you would put the choke all the way over, and then you want to press this little bubble at least 5 times, and that's going to prime the carburetor. So you would press that 5 times, and then that's when you go through your sequence of starting it. Okay, so that's how to start it. And then I'll show you this. This little rubber piece is hiding the spark plug. So you just lift up this little flap, and you could take the plug cap off, just like that. So that exposes the plug. And in the video I'm going to upload, I'll show you how to remove and reinstall the spark plug and all that. Okay, and here's our trigger. And now let's say we have our engine up and running. You can, and you want to just continuously blow without pulling the trigger for whatever reason, you could actually take this little lever and flip it up, and you can see it's going to pull that trigger up, and then it'll just run continuously. And then when you're done using the leaf blower and you want to shut it off, you're just going to push this lever straight down, and that's going to kill the engine. Okay, now we could move over to the back of the leaf blower. And you can see we have our fuel tank, we went over that. And then this little nut, or whatever you want to call it, this is going to open up the air filter housing. And you can see here's our air filter. And then there's 2 5/16 nuts right here. And if you undo those and take off this little black air cover box, behind that is your actual carburetor. So this is the way that the air filter goes in. Just like that. And then we just put our cover back on. Tighten it down. Okay. And now I will show you how to remove the actual blower hose. So this is a 2-piece. So to remove this, you're just going to pretty much take this and rotate it this way. Just hold this piece and then hold this nozzle and just rotate it this way. So that's going to rotate about 90 degrees. And then you could simply, it's a little bit snug on there, but you could just pull it off like that. So there's the first piece. And then to remove this upper piece, you can see here, you pretty much need to put a little flathead screwdriver. See if I could position this so you guys could see. You need to stick a little flathead screwdriver in, and then you're gonna rotate it this way. So you're gonna, if you're looking at it like this, you're gonna rotate it counterclockwise. So you put the screwdriver in and depress this little tab inside here, and then rotate it. Rotate this to the unlock position. So you twist this piece, and you can see here there's a little unlock. There's an arrow here, an arrow right here, and they're both pointing to the unlock. So now we could go ahead and pull this piece off. Okay. And then when we go to reinsert it, you could see on the actual hose, this little piece, this little groove right here is going to fit into this groove. Like that. So that slides in flush with that groove like that. And then all you're going to do is lift this little shroud, start off in the unlock position, and then just rotate it this way. And that's going to click into place, and then it's not going to let you take it back off unless you stick the screwdriver in and depress this little tab here. Okay, so that's how you take it off. And then to reinstall this lower piece, you can see there's two little knobs, one right here and one right here, and then there's openings right here and right here. So you want to line those up so that the openings are going into these little knobs here, like that. And then you're going to see it's rotated 90 just like it was before. So then we're just going to push it in all the way, like that. And then we're just going to rotate it this way and lock it into place. And you could hear it click into place. Okay. So yeah, guys, that pretty much sums up everything on this leaf blower. There's not much else to it. If you could also gain access to the carburetor if you take off the pull start cover. So there's 3 hex bolts right here. And if you take those off, this cover comes right out, and then it gives you access to the carburetor. So that's just a little heads up, something to know. But yeah, guys, that pretty much does it on this leaf blower. If you guys have any questions, just be sure to reach out in the comments section. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you out, be sure to like it, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and check out all my other tool and DIY videos. So yeah, guys, that pretty much does it. Oh, be sure to check the links. I will put a link on where you could pick up air filters for this, and also where you could pick up the 50-to-1 gas and oil mixture. So this is a 50-to-1 mixture, and the 50-to-1 pretty much translates out to a gallon is 2.6, a gallon of gas, it would take 2.6 fluid ounces of oil. 2.5 gallons would take 6.4 ounces, and 5 gallons of gas would take 12.8 fluid ounces. But if you pick up the pre-mixed stuff with the link I'm going to send you, it's already that 50-to-1 mixture, and you just could put it right into here. So yeah, guys, be sure to check those links. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video if it helped you out. And yeah, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.